Okay, part 2. We had a barking dog there, so part 2. All right, so then what if NO3 then decomposes into NO and O2? Okay, so this process then is actually 2 steps, and check it out. NO3 is an intermediate. That's what it means when you have something that's forming and consuming. So you end up forming it and then you end up consuming it. Doesn't end up in your overall process. That is an intermediate. Okay, so now how could we tell which one is our rate determining step? So if I tell you this first one is slow, the second one is fast, could you write the rate law? Absolutely. Our rate law literally matches slow. So these two are in your rate law because that is your slow step. And we have 2 of them, so they have to collide. So that is your rate law. They have to match. Your slow step and your rate law match. Perfect. All right, now let's do it the opposite. What if I tell you the rate law and you can tell me the speed, which one is the slow step and which one's the fast step? All right, so let's give you the overall reaction. All right, let's do this one. Okay, this one is also in a couple steps. So let me show you those steps. And let's also label any intermediates that we have. All right, so this process happens in 2 steps. And now if your rate law is given to you, now you can match what is your rate determining step. All right, so if that is your rate law, tell me which one is the slow one and which one is the fast one. Okay, the slow one has to match this. So we'd have to have 2 NOs. Okay, let's just go ahead and correct my own. There's no 2 there. Okay, we have to have 2 NOs and an H2 right there. This has to match. And this will be your slow step. That is your rate determining step. Everything else is fast. Okay. If something doesn't match, that means there was a mistake somewhere. Your rate determining step literally matches your slow step. So if you can take a look at these problems, you literally just have to match the slow step with your rate law. And that's it. It seems really complicated, but it's actually nice and straightforward. And then let's get deeper into what collisions mean in our next video. We'll see you soon.